Optimizing workflow automation in teamwork.com is a game changer for boosting productivity and streamlining operations. If you're new to the software and wondering how to get the most out of it, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips on optimizing your workflow with automation in teamwork.com. One of the first steps in optimizing workflow automation is understanding the core features that Teamwork offers. For starters, Teamwork's task management system allows you to automate recurring tasks, set up task dependencies, and allocate resources seamlessly. With these features, you can eliminate repetitive manual work, freeing up time for more important projects. Teamwork.com lets you automate task creation through custom templates. By setting up templates for specific project types, you can eliminate the need to start from scratch each time. For instance, if you frequently work on marketing campaigns, create a template that includes all the tasks, deadlines, and assignees needed for those projects. This will save you time and ensure consistency across projects. Next up, Teamwork's automation tools let you integrate with other software like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier to sync your workflow and boost efficiency. With Zapier, you can create zaps to trigger actions between Teamwork and hundreds of other apps. This means that you can automate tasks like creating new tasks in Teamwork whenever a new email is received or even when a file is uploaded to Google Drive. These integrations will help you work smarter, not harder, by connecting your tools and automating repetitive processes. Another powerful automation feature in Teamwork is the ability to set up custom notifications. Instead of manually tracking every single task and update, you can set alerts based on specific conditions like project milestones or task completions. You can even customize notifications so that the right team members are notified at the right time, reducing distractions and improving communication across the board. You should also utilize Teamwork's milestones to track larger goals. Once milestones are set up, you can automate notifications and reminders to keep everyone on track. For example, as a milestone date approaches, Teamwork can automatically remind your team to update the status of relevant tasks, making it easier to keep projects on schedule. For advanced users, Teamwork's workload management feature is key to optimizing workflow automation. By balancing tasks among team members, you can ensure no one is overloaded. The tool will help you automatically adjust workloads and redistribute tasks when necessary. You can also automate progress tracking, so you always know which tasks are falling behind without manually checking each one. And don't forget about Teamwork's reporting capabilities. With automated reporting, you can generate real-time insights into project progress, team performance, and upcoming deadlines. These reports can be sent out on a schedule, helping managers stay on top of projects without having to manually create reports. This automation will save hours each week and make your team's performance more transparent. Now, if you're wondering how to implement all these features, don't worry. The good news is, Teamwork offers an easy-to-navigate interface with a user-friendly dashboard, and with a bit of experimentation, you'll be automating like a pro in no time. If you want to try all of these powerful tools and more, you can get started for free through the link in the description below. This link gives you exclusive access to Teamwork.com's extended free trial, giving you more time to explore all the features mentioned in this video. It's a great way to test out how you can optimize your workflow automation without any upfront costs. Optimizing workflow automation in Teamwork.com can make a huge difference in how your team operates. By automating tasks, integrating with other tools, setting up custom notifications, and using reporting tools, you'll improve productivity and efficiency. Don't forget to click the link below to grab your exclusive extended free trial and start optimizing your workflow today.